the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your grandma, your grandpa. I hope everybody is doing well. As you can see by the title of this video, we are reviewing yet another wig. But this time, guys, and for the very first time on my channel, I am wearing a closure wig. Can you tell? Child, no, you can't tell. Glueless, honey. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is a 5x5 closure from Yolissa. The hair is 22 inches and it came already styled, pre-plucked as well as pre-bleached. So you don't have to do anything. All you do is basically put the wig on and you are ready to slay. And I am slaying, all right. I look so good, honey. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Do comment down below, let me know what you think of this video. I really can't stop touching this hair. It is so soft, it is so full. It is 180 density, and it is really great. I mean, for a 5x5 closure, you really can't tell that I'm wearing a closure. Someone would swear that I'm actually wearing a frontal, but you know what? It's also great now to have glueless closures because we are getting into winter in South Africa. So it's much easier to just pick up something, put it on and go, you know, have no time. There's no time to be laying a wig at this point. I don't want to be laying a frontal. I literally just want something that's easy, that's going to allow me to get up and go live my life. And this wig is just it because, guys, all the details about the wig as well as where I got it will be in the description box. I will have a direct link for you guys to purchase the wig. I'll see you again after the install. First up, let's check what we have in the box. This is the package that arrived from Yolissa. Some wet caps, a band. We have a comb to help you style your edges. We also have a band to help you secure your lace. We have some eyelashes. We have a band from Yolissa as well. This can help you to lay your hair or protect your hair while you sleep. And then we also have an extra bag in order to store your hair. It is great to actually store your hair in these bags because they keep it nice and soft. The hair comes in 180 density. It is a large cap size and it is a 5x5, 22 inches lace closure wig.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me?
The wig comes pre-styled. As you can see, we have some lovely bouncy curls over here. It is 22 inches of hair. It is a 5x5 closure, as you can see inside here. Over there, the closure comes already bleached and it also comes pre-plucked. That is the lovely thing about this wig because it is ready to wear. It is a 5x5 closure. It comes pre-bleached as well as pre-plucked, so the hairline is ready for you to wear. Inside the wig, we have an additional elastic band. So if this one breaks by any chance or anything like that, then you have the additional one that I showed you before this. And there are also combs inside the wig in order to keep it secure. As you can see, the wig has been machine made, so it is crafted very beautifully and it is very much intact. It is a large cap size, so it does stretch to give you that breathability in your wig. So I just want to say first of all that this wig, even though it is a large cap size, it is a little bit small on me, guys. It is a little bit small on me. I think it's because I cut my hair, so I obviously can't do, you know, cornrows and stuff. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. So I just want to remove these hairs that are in the way. As you can see, the lace is pre-cut and they cut it in a you know, that zigzag motion in order for it to blend nicely with your skin. But you can also see here, it literally just blends so beautifully. And yeah, I love it. This is gonna be my go-to wig when I have like errands to run or anything like that. I am gonna be picking up this baby. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit. Just be careful not to cut into the actual wig. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side.
In this type of thing, why I don't get it, we say it's a man thing.
There we go. I'm going to be using my Glamour spray. So we all know this just really helps to melt the wig. So I'm gonna use this to melt the wig down.
Through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place.
This will help you to hide that part, you know, the closure, how it does have that little bit of a part where the track comes in. This will definitely help you to hide that.
What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be.
You can definitely take a little bit of your foundation or your powder just to then hide the closure a bit more. I'm also going to take a little bit of my concealer and help to define my parts to make it that much more sleeker. I also love how far back the actual closure goes. Okay, so now that I've laid the hair and I've basically, you know, hidden the fact that it's a closure, I want to style it. I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit. I still want to retain the curl because it is so beautiful and it comes styled like this. So you just put it on and you go. Ooh. Stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase this hair, which I definitely think you should, do check out the description box. Do check out Yolissa on Instagram as well as their website. I'll leave a direct link to the hair so that you guys know that you're getting exactly what I've just showed you and you guys can purchase. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. You are not going to regret making this purchase. But yeah guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys so much and I'll see you again in my next video.